Hi, so this is gonna be my summer video because I actually made a summer video, but then like I accidentally posted it on my channel, and like this theme was supposed to be last week. If that makes sense? Yeah, last week, but like I couldn't post it because I couldn't log in after that. When I made another video after I posted it on my channel, I made another video for the actual this collab, but then it didn't work. Like I couldn't log in. So yeah, I can't really go outside right now because it's really windy, and yeah, but I'll still go outside. I'm just gonna go on my balcony, and sorry about I'm gonna go. It's really windy, super windy, so like you might wanna lower your volume right now. Yeah, and at one point there's gonna be like a background noise because my sister is watching YouTube videos, and quality is bad because I can't use my camera because it's charging. It's really annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. So I'm gonna just be quiet, guys. Let's talk. It's really windy. Oh, it's raining. Oh no. Oh, yeah. So I'm not gonna talk that much because I can't really go outside because it's raining. It's raining. Put my hand out and like, see that? See it's raining. Yeah. I don't want to zoom my face that much. I have to wait. No! Sorry, my brother's going there. It's really wet, so it's really sad. Yeah, that's gonna be like a really bad video. Promise next week will be better. I'm sorry that I didn't post last week. I couldn't log in. It kept on saying I tried like different passwords, even the old password, but I still couldn't. So yeah, it's really windy again. I'm not gonna show you because it reveals my location a lot. So bye.